Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, aka Sugar21 here. If you're new, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing a Sephora and Ulta haul. If you want to see what I got in my Sephora haul, just keep on watching. So the first thing I got in my Sephora haul is this Rare Beauty Liquid Touch Multitasking Sponge. And I believe Rare Beauty is from Rihanna, but I'm not 100% sure. And this sponge was made in China, and it is cruelty-free and vegan. The sponge looks like this. It's like a diamond shape, and it's basically multi-use. I got 2 samples in my box. I chose 2 samples. And the first sample is this Nude Sticks Concealer. And it is the Nude Fix It Sticks in the shade Nude 5. And the next sample I got here is the Tom Ford Eau de Soleil Blanc, which is in Eau de Toilette. And it basically looks like this. And it smells so beautiful. I already sprayed it on me as soon as I got it, and I loved it. That is everything in my Sephora haul for you guys today. If you don't follow me on Instagram, go ahead and follow me, Sugar21. I'll put it right there. And I do have 3 other Instagrams that I'll link below in the description box, so you can just click on it and it'll send you right directly to my Instagrams. So go follow me on there if you haven't already. And I also have a Facebook, a Snapchat, a TikTok, and a Pinterest that I will link down below. I am super excited to see what's in this box and to show you guys what I got. And the first thing I got, I just had to get this. Look at that. Isn't that so beautiful? This is the Bratz X Revolution Makeup Revolution London Yasmin palette. It is a shadow palette. The Girls with a Passion for Fashion. I'm going to open it up. Oh, opened it the wrong way. That's perfect. Let's just close this side. Where is your brain, Andrea? So this is what the palette looks like. And when you open it up, very beautiful colors. I will do a couple swatches for you. Is Change the World. This is Fill It. and this is Frog. Very pigmented, I believe. I will be doing a makeup look with these soon, so stay tuned for that. The back just looks like this. The next item I have here is this Bratz X Revolution Makeup Revolution London Chloe palette, and it is cruelty-free, animal cruelty-free. This is also a shadow palette. This is what it looks like. And those are the beautiful colors. I will swatch these three on the top. Monologue, Monologue, Drama Mama, Crush. Pretty pigmented, I believe. And last but not least is this Bratz X Revolution Makeup Revolution London Shadow Palette. And it is animal cruelty free. In the back, it shows the colors it has in there. Oh my god, look at that. That is so adorable. I love it. Ow. My finger. I love this palette, you guys. So adorable. I will swatch for you these top three. Jade, very pigmented. Yasmin, very beautiful. Diamonds, very pigmented. So I would definitely say that the shimmer ones or shiny ones are much more pigmented than the matte ones. The giveaway is coming up very soon, so if you haven't entered into my giveaway, go ahead and go to that video where I do a giveaway and go enter into my giveaway. I will be ending that July 31st. So if you guys liked this video, don't forget to give me a great big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and the bell notification so you'll get notified the next time I post a next video. So thank you guys so much for watching. Love you guys. Bye.